Hello bakers, thank you very much for joining me today. Welcome back to the Cakers channel. Today we are making some amazing heart-shaped Rice Krispie treats for my daughter's first birthday dessert table. These Rice Krispie treats were so much fun to make and I can't wait for you to see the end result. I made this video with the intention of creating a short video, but come on. All of this goodness could not be packed up in just 1 minute. I melted some butter and then added my marshmallows to a saucepan and let it all melt until it's very runny. Then I added my Rice Krispies to it and mixed until it's all combined. I added some vanilla as well just to give it a bit of a flavor, and now I added some beautiful rainbow sprinkles. I lined my baking sheet with parchment paper and then I poured it all on it. I am using a piece of parchment paper just to press into the Rice Krispie treat mixture to let it get firm a bit and stick to itself, so that whenever I'm cutting my shapes out, it will not fall apart. I then picked up my heart-shaped cookie cutter and I'm going to cut out some beautiful shapes from this Rice Krispie treat. Once I cut them out, I'll just go around the edges with my fingers just to make it look very smooth and a bit flawless. After cutting out all my shapes, naturally there will be some offcuts left over. What I did, I just microwave them for about 10 seconds and then I roll them out with a rolling pin just to get it flat again, and I cut out some more shapes. Then there will be more offcuts again. I didn't bother to cut out shapes with these. I just roll them into small balls and make some Rice Krispie lollipops. And the kids did enjoy those. These were for my daughter's birthday, so of course I wanted to personalize them. I rolled out a thin piece of fondant and I used a letter cutter to cut out O for her first initial, and I put them on each of these Rice Krispie treats. I then got my little clear bags with these little straps that came with them. They had a bit of wire in the middle so you can twist it around and seal the package. And those packaging were perfect. They were easy to hand out at the party and everyone absolutely loved them. If you did like this video, please share it with your friends and families. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more cake decorating tips and tricks and more sweet treats like this one. The list of tools and ingredients I used for these treats can be found in the description below. Until next time, keep on baking.